In the last series of videos, we talked about international commercial terms that are applicable to any mode of transport. In this video and series of videos to follow, we are going to look at international commercial terms that are applicable to sea and inland waterway transport. That is free alongside ship, free on board, cost and freight, cost, insurance, and freight. Let's start with free alongside ship. Free alongside ship means that the seller delivers when the goods are placed alongside the vessel nominated by the buyer at a named port of shipment. Now, in free alongside ship, there is the phrase alongside. What this means is that goods are to be placed on the dock or lighter within the reach of the transport ship's tackle so that they can be loaded aboard vessel. At that point, okay, from the moment that happens, then the buyer incurs all the costs, basically all the risks in relation to those particular goods. This term is suitable for out-of-gauge cargo, the kind of cargo that don't necessarily fit in a container. Otherwise, if the cargo you're transporting fit in a container, then you're better off just using FCA, unlike, going to all these processes. This term is ideal for shipping hard commodities, soft commodities, as well as chemicals. As with most deliveries, it's recommended that you specifically highlight the point at which the delivery is going to take place. Remember, the risks, the suppliers or rather the seller's risk in this case, is supposed to pass from the seller to the buyer when the goods get to that point, the point that qualifies as alongside ship or the vessel that you're choosing to use in this case. This term is ideal in a situation where the seller is in a position to actually access the vessel that is going to be used. The seller also gets to benefit because the risks in relation to those goods transfer from the seller to the buyer when the goods have been delivered alongside the said vessel. So that's the end of the lesson, okay? It's a short lesson. Now, in the next topic, you're going to talk about a situation where you, as a buyer, are not in a position to load those things on board a vessel, and you'd rather the seller does it. I'm Moses from Zero Network, and I'll see you in the next lesson.